You don't need 2 hours a day to get good at Japanese. You need 10 minutes a day for the right 3 things. By the end of this video, you'll have a daily routine that takes less time than scrolling Instagram and works better than anything in your textbook. Why most adult learners burn out? Quick reality check. Most working adults try to study Japanese the way they did in school. Sit down for an hour, open a book, do drills. Burn out in 3 weeks. Quit by week 4. It's not because you're lazy, it's because that method was designed for full-time students. You're not one, so let's stop pretending. Here's what works instead. Habit 1. The daily sentence, 3 minutes. Pick one Japanese sentence in the morning, just one. Say it out loud 10 times before you finish your coffee. Here's a trick. Say it 10 different ways. Cheerful, tired, polite, casual, frustrated, surprised. Why 10 ways? Because in real life, you don't say a phrase one way. Your boss is grumpy, you'll say it differently than to a friend at lunch. Your mouth needs to handle all these versions. Pick the sentence based on your life. Don't let the textbook pick. Working professionals, try お疲れ様です. Thank you for your hard work. Living in Japan, try that's a working vocabulary. The textbook gives you 1,000 words you never say. This habit gives you 90 phrases you use this week. Habit 2. Shadowing. 5 minutes. This is the most adults skip and it's the most powerful. Shadowing means play a piece of Japanese audio and you repeat it out loud immediately while it's still playing. Not after, during. You're chasing the audio with your voice. Why it works? Your brain doesn't have a time to translate. Your mouth has to mimic pitch, rhythm, speed. The same way kids learn, by copying. 3 sources I recommend it for working adults. 1. Nihongo con Tepe. Free podcast. 5-minute episodes. Slow, clear Japanese for learners. Perfect for shadowing. 2. Easy News. Real news in simplified Japanese. 3. Honestly, any Japanese drama on Netflix. Pick a scene with 2 people talking. Shadow the dialogue. Rewatch the same scene every day for a week. You'll start anticipating the lines. Don't worry about understanding everything, just match the sound. Comprehension comes later. Sounds first. 5 minutes, that's it. Walking to the train, on a coffee break, while you cook dinner, you can do this anywhere, earphones in, mouth moving. After a month of shadowing, your accent stops sounding foreign. Japanese people will tell you. Habit 3, 2 minutes. Use one phrase in a real situation. This is where most people choke. They study, they shadow, but they never speak to a real person. The phrase stays in their head forever. 2 minutes is all you need. Order at a Japanese restaurant in Japanese instead of pointing. Reply your Japanese coworker in Japanese, even one sentence. Use a language app of your choice and send one voice message. If you live outside Japan and don't have anyone to speak with, talk to yourself out loud. Describe what you are doing in Japanese. Make a TikTok in Japanese. Voice message a Japanese friend instead of typing. The point isn't perfection. The point is the phrase you leaving your mouth in a real moment. That's when it locks in. Imperfect Japanese said out loud beats perfect Japanese silent on the page. Always. Here's the math. 3 minutes plus 5 minutes plus 2 minutes equals 10 minutes a day. After 30 days, you have 30 phrases your mouth knows automatically, plus 150 minutes of native audio shadowed, plus 30 real-world reps. After 90 days, you sound natural, not perfect, natural. Your friend and a coworker will notice. You'll notice. All from 10 minutes a day. If you want a curated phrase a day for working professionals already chosen, so you don't have to guess, made a free guide. Link in the description. 50 phrases sorted by situation. Hit subscribe, comment below which habit you are starting tomorrow, 1, 2, or 3. Check the comment every morning. 見てくれてありがとう。またね。